When you look at a panel, the first and most important thing that people are gonna know is how many amps. There's always one main breaker that is at the top of the panel. That tells you how many amps it is. This meter is 100 amps. You're gonna have people that are gonna be like, oh, it's not 200, who cares? This house doesn't need 200 amps. And I would say if it's above 2,000 square feet and newer than 2,000, you probably would want 200. Anything below that and older, I wouldn't mess with it. They could be how many? 60, 100, 150, or 200. I'll tell you where 60 is okay, apartments. Because apartments have way less outlets. These are all the breakers. If you want to add anything, you have 5 places to add stuff. Now, what if they were fuses? What would it look like? They're round, they look like glass. Like, if I have a house that has fuses, how much is it to convert this? You're between 1 and 2. But that's not a deal killer. It's not the end of the world. You've got all Romex wiring going through, which is nice, and then you've got your main cable running out to the street. If it were spaghetti, which you're gonna see mostly in multis, then you would have an electrician come out and they would have to clean it up.